So the first video is simple, only 20 lines. Okay, we will use this. We drop this table. Okay, this will change. Here we have drop table. Now in this new version, Control C, it will be Control V, drop if exists. Okay, this is the version until 20C Oracle, and this is the version 24C. Okay, I come here, I take this, and the tools I need will be SQL developer, okay, Oracle SQL, SQL developer, okay, and I open here. I will use this. My connection is correct. This is my database, the pluggable database here. Okay, we can test. We put that. I put the new connection. Okay, show PDBS. This is my database, pluggable database. It's right and open. Okay, I come here, I create this table. Okay, you try to see how I create this table. Call number generate always identify start by 1, increment by 1. This means the old system, you remember in the old version, this you can use that in version 12C and plus. Okay, now my version is 20C, because before you create 1 sequence, you create a trigger. Okay, trigger associate to the table. Okay, it's like increment, automatic increment, you know, in MySQL. This you forget, you know, create a sequence, create a trigger, you forget that. You know, this you forget. Okay, because the new system is this. So I take this, drop table and create table. I come in SQL Server in my, okay, and we put C, drop and create. I put this, comments. Okay, drop and purge. But this table is drop. Okay, and I create this table. I create, table is create. Okay, the second line is, so we forget this. Okay, I tried to add a primary key in this. Okay, I come here, SQL, Control V. I create alter table. Okay, alter table. Add the constraint, and this constraint is my primary key. Okay, create the primary key. Now this, we have a primary key in this column. This column can be the ID, because you generate the number here. I can put here my ID for this table. Okay, it can be ID or the number to check, to avoid, to have the same number. Okay, in French you say doublon en français. But now, to duplicate, to avoid to duplicate the number, now I want to insert the data in my new table. You noticed I don't put col1, because col1 is automatically, it creates the number. Okay, it creates the number and increment by 1. Start by 1, increment by 1. Okay, you can put start by 1, increment by 2, but we don't care. I take this value, Control C. Now I want to insert inside my new table the data. Okay, it's something I want to show you. I insert two data. Okay, imagine I insert 100 or many data inside. Okay, but now when I insert this value, I must put here my commit. Okay, to validate something I insert. But imagine you forget to put your commit. It's normal, you can forget something, okay, but you don't know. Or the first time I commit, okay, commit, okay, I want to insert again the data. Okay, I put here to change only Patrick. Okay, here I put Isham. Or Bonaventure. Okay, I insert okay, I can put the select from my new table. Okay, tab 1. When I select, I can see my data. Okay, and I try to take another connection. Imagine, okay, no problem, I can keep it. This is my data. This data, when you see, it's normal, no error, no error, it's normal. But something I want to show you is, for example, I can take another connection from SQL Server. Okay, here I create one user, create user Peter. Okay, identified by Peter. Okay, before to create, sometime you can put create user Peter identified by default table space. No, for me, I declare the default table space. Okay. Okay, before to create this user, I tell you, I declare the default table space of my database data. Okay, we can check it. You put this request. Select, this is the default, okay, data. So I cannot put create user Peter identified by table space. For me, it's enough. Okay, I put this, it's enough. You don't say default table space. No, for me, it's enough. When I create this user, and I give a ground connect resource to Peter. Okay. Yes. And now I create this user. Because I want to show you what can be problem. I take another connection. Okay, now I use SQL Plus. I come inside the server. The server is in MariaDB, I think. MariaDB, or no, don't worry, I take the simple. Okay, no, the server, I try to take my putty. One putty is the connection here. 1 second and the 3. Okay, Herman is only the backup. I come here, connection Oracle, dbcon, because this I use the alias. I show you this alias is inside my profile file. Copy. Okay, I declare many profile, many alias to put simple connection. Okay, here I come like like DBA. I don't use that. Don't worry for that. And here I say dbcon. okay, and my connection. Okay, here show user is 6, and we create the new user is Peter. Connect Peter, okay, Peter. Here I can use Herman. Select from instance, only to see instance name. Okay, here it's a little bit, oh sorry, select yes, I forget to put $. Select instance. Okay, my instance is free, and when I say show PDBS, it tell me it's okay. Don't worry, because I don't know. I come here in my SQL developer. Okay, here the instance is here, but I declare, for example, here I think it's free PDB1. I think PDB1, free PDB1. Okay, so I come here. Where is my SQL? Yes, I come here, Peter, okay, at free PDB1, okay. So connect, Peter, connect, okay. Connect, he told me connect. I want only to check. I say select. I take another user to see select from Paraclet. I don't know who is the owner of this table. I think it's Paraclet. And Paraclet, I say this tab 1. You see, it say table don't exist. Nice. Who is the owner of this table? Paraclet. I take the same request. Okay, I come here, I pass inside here. Control V. Here it show me this value. I give more privilege to Peter. Okay, here I say grant connect resource to Peter. I say grant select any table to Peter. Okay. Bravo. I come here. I put, please select this table, Mr. Peter. Peter can see this value. Okay. Now I try to give another privilege to Peter. I want to allow Peter to insert data inside this table. Okay. Okay, here I put Grant in select on any table. Okay, this is for my case, but don't say that in production or in the project. Okay, you must to select only one tab of the number of a table you want Peter to select or to insert. Okay, I try to correct. You use this. Okay, Grant select on Paraclete table to Peter, and this, if you say show user in this connection, okay, show user, okay, told you Paraclete. Okay, the user is Paraclete. Okay, so I can say, please, Peter, you can select and insert in my table. So I put the two. Okay, and you can here you can remove this. Okay, and this I try to remove, okay, this privilege to Peter. Okay, I put this. Oh, what happened? Revoke. Yes, correct. I correct. So I revoke, I remove the privilege of select any table from Peter. Okay, now I say to Peter, you can select and insert in my new table. So I execute, because here he put one error. Okay, I correct it, and we have, okay, I give Peter this possibility to insert in my new table. Okay, and I come here, I put select. We have this value. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, I can insert, I forget to commit, don't remember that. Here I come, I say insert. We try to add I put this, I put insert Patrick Vlad here I put Peter. Okay, I want to insert the new line. I put before this new line here, Peter. Insert. It told me one row. I come here. I push again. Select. It say only this. You see that when Peter show user, Peter say select inside the Paraclete table 1. I'm only 4. I come here. Here the user is Paraclete. Paraclete say, Paraclete say select. I'm 5. Okay? Because Paraclet put the value and I forget to commit. I can't put again. Now I say this. I say to Peter to insert data in my table. What happened? Because when Peter tried to select, I say insert this value. Because I give the grant to Peter to insert. You see, this it's here. I say to Peter, grant Peter to insert inside this table. Okay? Peter have a privilege to insert data inside. Okay, we try. We say Peter insert. Oh, table view don't exist. Something wrong, no? Okay, we can correct. Don't worry, you can correct. We put here because we must to create the synonym. For example, here I put this error because I don't put Paraclet in front of here. I say create synonym. Okay, I create a public synonym here. Okay. So here we try to create a public synonym for this table. Okay. You want help? Okay, I create a public synonym here. You know, I try to insert again. He told me one row. Create. Okay, and I try to select data colon something wrong for me. Something wrong. It's not correct, but no problem. It's not my question now. Because here I don't commit. I put noun commit. (22) Vlad, here I come, select. 21, 22. You see here 21 because Peter have many privilege. Okay, it's like the same privilege between Paraclet and Peter. It's for this reason you must to pay attention when you forget to commit. Here I insert, I didn't commit, but I want to check if something is wrong or correct in my database. Why? When I select this, when I select here, I'm only this. But we know we forget to commit here, we forget to commit, okay? Because when I commit, only we see the data. For example, here, I'm this data here. I come here, 22 didn't appear here, okay? And I go to check in my database. This is my question, okay. This is the essential things I want to show you in this video. I want only to go to check. In this case, in the database, if something is locked, you use this query. Select. Okay. It told me, yes, we have something who is locked. The person we locked this transaction, his name is Peter. You know, now Peter is locked something inside my database. You cannot work, it can be very, very dangerous. So Peter locked. I don't know if Peter locked the same table, okay? And we have this query. You select your object, you use only user. For me, I'm database administrator. I can use DBA object, but for the simple person, okay, we try to put this request. Select. It told me the object is tab 1 and the session is 6, 7 and Peter. Peter locked the table this. Okay, I said table. I don't know if it's the table or it's not. It's the table. Okay, we put only this here. You can add this if you want to have many information in your object. V, we put type. Okay, we put again. Table, okay, so the same number, object idea is this, okay, so now I come, it told me the session, okay. Sorry, I forgot to tell you how you can check how to see your session ID. You put this request, okay. You put select, okay, select this, okay, from dual, okay, but sorry, because dual in the new version of Oracle 23, Oracle promise in the past you want to remove this table dual. Now Oracle remove dual. You cannot use dual in Oracle 23. You can use, you have your request, but now you put only this. Select, okay, select sys context. From dual, you have the same response. This. When I check who is the person we lock, this table is the same session, 6, 7, and here 6, 7. Okay. Now we try again to check if this person, yes, okay, and we come only this. I say commit. Okay, when you commit, we try to ask again. You see? Now I try to check. We have no object locked in database. Okay, so it's only something I want to show you in this new video. Thank you so much, and thank you to follow me and to watch my video. And I say to you bye and see you in the next video. The next video is about how to manage, how to configure partitioned table. Okay, so the next video, please, I put the next video today is how to manage, how to configure, how you can create a partitioned table. And I invited you to see this new video. Thanks so much. Bye.